So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called GetUpside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called GetUpside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. I know, roast me in the comments. My hair is, yeah, I don't know. They cut it really short on the sides, and I don't know, it's just like a mess right now. But anyways, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. This is a place for Uber and Lyft drivers mostly, but I'm also starting Postmates this weekend, I believe, whenever I get my card in the mail. I'm just waiting, maybe next week. I'm waiting for my card to get in the mail, and I'm gonna start doing Postmates. So I'm gonna be talking about Uber, Lyft, and then my experience doing Postmates and some other food delivery apps. I'm just personally not really interested in driving for Uber right now, so I might go out and try it out for like a day. I mean, try it out. I've done Uber, but like, you know, I haven't done it through the pandemic. But let me know, are you guys going out and doing gig apps, and which one do you guys prefer? I personally just, you know, want to be as safe as possible, and I haven't chanced it yet. But, you know, I gotta make content for you guys, so I figured Postmates might be the easiest or like the safest way to go out and still make, like, do a gig. So I'm just waiting on my my card for that. But anyways, today's video, guys, we're talking about Uber riders in general, but I have a specific screenshot that I want to share with you guys, and story I want to talk to you guys about, who refuse to wear masks. So Uber and Lyft both announced that Uber and Lyft both announced that both drivers and riders, good job Dylan, need to wear masks at all times, 24/7. No mask, no ride. You're not wearing a mask, can't drive. You're not wearing a mask, can't ride with Uber or Lyft. However, some riders, I mean, the thing is, drivers basically have to wear a mask, or else if you get one report and then from a rider saying you're not wearing a mask, then, you know, you're basically gonna get deactivated. But riders, you know, they don't really care. They show up with no mask, driver says no mask, passenger's not wearing a mask. Come on, we've seen passengers with ratings of like 2 stars, 1 star. They're probably not gonna get deactivated. If they do get deactivated, I'm sure they could set up a new account. I'm sure they don't mind just doing Lyft or instead or whatever, using their friend's account. We all know that it's really easy to make it, you know, use your friend's account as a rider. But as a driver, you know, your account gets deactivated, you're donezo. You want to try to set up a new account and get a new car and go through insurance and get a new insurance, a new registration, and get a new, forget about it. Not that I would ever recommend it, but it's just, you know, it's pretty much impossible. I know people who have done it, but they've also been caught too, and I don't recommend doing that ever. But with this whole COVID-19 stuff going on, what is COVID-19? Never heard of it. No, I'm just kidding. There's a lot of conspiracy theories going out about government control and everything, but I'm not gonna talk about that. I don't know. I mean, I'm just playing the cautious route. But here we go. Let me pull up this screenshot of passengers who haven't been wearing a mask. This is the passenger messaging the driver and goes, "I have COPD." Let me just pull this up so I can go along with you guys. She goes, "I have COPD respiratory issues that prevents me from wearing a mask. The driver just goes, okay, got it. She just clicked on that little button at the bottom there. Honestly, if a passenger, so those kind of messages, if you're a new driver, you'll get those on the way to pick up your passenger. A lot of times it'll say, oh, you know, I'm wearing a black shirt or something, or hey, I'm running a few minutes late, can you wait for me, or my gate code is whatever. But in this case, they go, hey, just for warning, I'm not wearing a mask. So I'm curious, what is COPD? Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Chronic obstructive lung disease. Oh. Pulmonary. It's a group of lung disorders. Very common. More than 3 million cases per year. Treatments can manage condition, no known cure. Often requires lab tests or imaging. Common for ages 40 and older. I think those people who have it are like those people you hear walking around, they're like all the time. Or those people who like, they breathe in a lot, who might have, you know, shortness of breath. And I can imagine it would be tough to wear a mask with these things. However, you simply cannot ride with Uber. I mean, you can't just say you have an issue and then, you know, tell your driver and it's all good. That's the thing. Uber and Lyft have both stated that if you can't wear a mask, you can't ride with us. Sorry. I'm pretty sure even if you have this, even if you have a doctor's note, you can't get away with it. And also, with that being said, I'm sure this person isn't like going out and about like crazy, because I'm pretty sure they are concerned, but like at the same time, if they have this COPD thing, where are they going and why are they, you know, willing to get into a car? Maybe they just don't care about the coronavirus. And the people who just don't really care usually are carriers. So I would just be cautious with people like this. Personally, I wouldn't want to deal with it. I would just decline the ride. Up to you though. Uber, no mask, no ride. Here we go. Uber will require drivers and passengers to wear masks indefinitely. As you can see, it's a very, you know, common thing. Or not common thing, but it's, you know, it's set in stone. But anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. Let me know your thoughts. Would you take this passenger or would you decline it? Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.